Welcome to Mountain Winds at 701 Benchlands Trail, a beautifully designed penthouse offering some of the most breathtaking mountain views in Canmore. Surrounded in the natural beauty that is Canmore, this beautiful south-facing, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is flooded with natural light. The fabulous living room offers grand vaulted ceilings and a stone front fireplace. Rich finishings in the kitchen include custom cabinetry, slate backsplash, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. And the functional kitchen opens out onto a deck perfect for barbecuing. This home's ideal open concept floor plan makes this home perfect for entertaining. The nice-sized guest bedroom has its own private sun deck. The master retreat is beautiful and bright with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. The luxurious 5-piece ensuite is an elegant mix of slate, granite, and custom cabinets and mirrors. To enjoy majestic views like this from the comfort of your home, call Shailene at 403-688-1040 for your personal tour.